Hey guys, I'm Mao from Taiwan. In this video, I will tell you how to make a mosquito trap. And why mosquito trap? Because mosquito trap can catch mosquitoes. Now, let's do it. Okay, let's start. Before we begin, let's check the materials. First, we need a battle, knife or scissors, tap, and sugar. And the baking soda. Let's start. First step, we cut the battle into 1/3. And be careful with the knife. Don't cut yourself. When we cut finish like this, the next step, we use the tap to tap around the battle. And careful the open face, it will hurt you. So I tap this kind of to protect myself. And the second step we finish like this. And the next step we will put some water in the bottle. We put in water like this, almost half from the cutting bottle. And then we put the sugar into the water. And then we stir. When we finish the stir, it will look like a little yellow. And the next step, we put the baking soda into the water. When we put the baking soda into the water, we don't need to stir it because we need the water slowly feed the carbon dioxide into the air. so don't store it. And then next, we put the head of cleaning bottle and open the bottle mouth into his head and turn over the head like this one into another one. So, and then we put it in the other home or kitchen, so we can use this to trap mosquitoes. So it's finished. When we then us to trap